Kicker Q class. Does it say Q class on it? It just says L7. But I think the regular L7 has the blue stitch. It's a little bit smaller. This is the Q class. Basically all they did was make the magnet a little bit bigger, but they put a lot of heat sink in there rather than going with a 3-inch voice coil, which they saved for the Solo X. Again, it's almost like Kicker's bragging to themselves about how much they can get away with and cheat, take advantage of the client. It's almost like that. If you don't like being taken advantage of, don't buy from a big name brand. Buy from a small brand. Help, like, everybody's like against Walmart, right? Then fucking buy from a mom and pop. All the subwoofers are basically the same. FS is 36, QTS is 0.8. Let's do the VAS. For a piston diameter, I just put 10.5 because it should be basically the same for a 12-inch. No, Patrick, it's square, so it's got more cone area. You're an idiot. VAS is 1 cubic foot. So it's basically, I would put it on par with a like a SAv2 from Sundown for twice the price. You thought the SAv2 was expensive. This fucker is really expensive. So no, wait, I take that back. I think these are only, I think they were only like $360 each shipped. So I'm doing this one for $350 shipped. The guy is having a freight forwarder out of Florida. I ship this to the freight forwarder and then they ship it on to him. Let me show you the little cover-ups that they had. This thing was very difficult to get out of the box. I do think it's funny some of the illusions that people have about brand and quality and all that kind of stuff. That's why I'd like to shave it down to performance. Once you get something that's a good performer for a good price, then you can start adding on, you know, pretty stuff or exotic. I mean, that's how hot rod guys do it. I don't understand why I can't do it like that. So, not that I didn't do that. So I had to like drop it up and down and it finally came out. And then I was gonna go through the butthole as I always do. I do like this round. That's kind of cool. But there you go, see? Did that come off with it? No. See, that was there before. They went ahead and did it anyway. So, good solder work. Shitty wire. That's some shitty old school wire. And then they put these on there. These are just, I think you can use like CA or some sort of rubber adhesive to cover up the screws. So, but I'm gonna include these. These I'm gonna keep with the box. And then I'm going to send them some real hardware that's like number 8, 1.5 inches, which is basically the same thing as this, but a pan head. It's a little wider, and it's a sheet metal screw. So we'll do those. These are, I thought these were funny. These are the screws that held in the terminal. I don't know if you can see those. Pretty short, but you know, whatever. It's Kicker. See, it's embroidered. And they want $1,400 for that fucker. Good Lord. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Bye.